Hello friends, Marwan here again. Listen, if you're still working on minimum wage, you don't have great salary, this video is for you because I saw a lot of people just want to buy cars, just want to do like any other normal people. But let me tell you this, buying a car is not for poor people, it's just for middle class and above, upper middle class. And let me tell you why I'm making this video, because I just got here to wash my car and I noticed something so important, because people complain about the price of washing a car, of car maintenance, etc. And what I noticed is buying a car is not for poor people. This is a hard truth, and let me tell you why. If you're struggling financially, buying a car might be the fastest way to stay broke. Buying a car or having a car might look like having freedom. You can go wherever you want, whenever you want, but it could be a great hidden trap for poor people, because having a car drains money every month, mainly for people or for poor people. They just buy old cars. The monthly payment for cars increases the moment you buy old cars, mainly. And even if you buy a new car, you will have the debt to pay every month. Okay, so let me tell you this, there is car repairs, insurance, taxes, the things that you're gonna need to change in your car, tires, mechanics, repair, electronics, everything that here. I just saw the stats. On average in United States, between 700 to 900 per month is the average fees that you're gonna pay if you have a car. So if you have just a car just to go wherever you want, this could be a financial trap for you, unless it's for your job. You're a taxi driver, you're a Uber driver, you use it for pizza delivery or something. That car is bringing you money, it's making cash flow. This is good. But if you use just a car for your personal use, you're still poor, you're still in the middle class and below. This is a financial trap for you. This is not the right time to buy a car. Go for a walk. It's gonna save you money, and it's good for your health too. Work for things to earn more money. People complain now about the increase of the price of the gas because of the war happening there in Iran. Oh, they increases the price of the gas. Oh, it's so expensive, $10 to wash my car. If you don't have money to wash your car, cars is not for you. It's that simple. Look for ways to earn more money. I won't stress myself with $10, $20 to wash my car while I'm looking for ways to make more thousands per month. This is how smart people think. This is how entrepreneur works. We save time by gaining more time by investing money. I don't have time to wash my car at my home. I'm gonna go to a car wash and I'm gonna wash my car. That's it. I'm gonna bring my laptop somewhere in a cafe and I'm gonna work at the same time where people are washing my car. I'm generating the revenue while people are doing the work for me. Oh, just wash your car by yourself, you're gonna save 20 bucks. This is the poor mindset, guys. This is the right poor mindset, guys. And I'm telling you this, if you're poor, don't buy a car at all. At least you have a great job. At least you have a great job. Middle class and above. Upper middle class. Now you can afford buying a car. And on top of that, a car loses value every month. Every month that you're using your car, its value is decreasing. You buy a new car at $40,000, the next week its value goes down at $30,000. If you want to resell it, you're gonna lose $10,000 in 1 week. You don't need it. Poor people buy assets. Rich people buy liabilities that increase with the time. Okay? If you buy a house, this is better than buying a car. At least the house could increase in its value. It could, and it could goes down also if something happens in the city or whatever construction are made in your town. It could go down in value, but in most of cases it's gonna increase in value, house. But a car for sure it's gonna go down in value unless you keep it for about 50 years and you resell it to a collector who's gonna collect old cars. And the last thing I'm gonna tell you here, mainly for people in their 20s, they want to buy a car to look impressive, to impress other people. Listen, man. Try to impress other people by having a status of entrepreneur, but making businesses. Buying a car or having a car is nothing. Once you buy that car, it's going to be something usual for you. Don't try to impress other people. Impress yourself. Compare yourself with your old self. And this is the last advice I'm going to give you guys, because listen, my YouTube channel is all about making money, entrepreneurship, etc. And I'm giving you advices to save more, to earn more. So guys, if you're still poor, if you don't have any online business for now, focus on bringing more money, not to throw in money from the window. And if you still complain about the parking, oh, the parking, I'm gonna pay $7 for the parking, buying a car is not for you. Okay? See you in the next video.